I'm Frank Boyden. Welcome to the Sitka Center for Art and Ecology. We're really glad you're here, and let's just go and have a look at what's been going on at some classes and general campus. So follow me, please. So here we are in the central courtyard. There's all sorts of really nice things that happen here pretty much every day. People eat lunch, there's projects and classes that happen here. And so let's go into the studio and see what is happening.
The Sitka Center for Art and Ecology's main and largest studio, the Boyden Studio, is designed to accommodate workshops covering topics like painting, woodworking, calligraphy, collage, music, photography, and writing, each of which are taught by experts in their fields, more than 60 world-renowned instructors and artists.
First of all, I want to thank all of you for kind of extending yourselves.
There are also other workshops and studios on the grounds, such as the Edelman and Smith studios, that serve as perfect spaces for residencies and instruction.
So here we are up in the upper courtyard. It's a really nice little contemplative place. There's sculpture out in the woods here and into the garden, and you're seeing 3 houses here which supply residencies or people who are in residence, and also the instructors over the summer.
Resting in the center of a United Nations Biosphere Reserve, Sitka's campus is located in the Cascade Head Scenic Research Area, a 1974 congressional designation unique in the United States. This forested area includes the Nature Conservancy's Cascade Head Preserve, the Salmon River Estuary, and Camp Westwind across the river. Sitka's campus includes studios, courtyards, and nooks and crannies, all designed to take advantage of the natural surroundings and cultivate inspiration and creativity.
You know, it's a wonderful place. It's all been built over the years, almost 50 years now, by people who have really believed in Sitka, have donated money and their time and their friendship and love to make this place happen. So it's a very, very good feeling.
Sitka has also recently purchased a nearby 80-acre plot of land called Grass Mountain.
Welcome to Grass Mountain. This is a property that Sitka Center purchased a little over a year ago. I'm standing in front of this fantastic Sitka spruce here. This is the emblem of Sitka. It's a real treasure for Sitka to have, and I think that they're greatly looking forward to being able to use it over time. Well, thank you for coming to Sitka Center. We really hope that you come back here soon. Take care. Have a great day. Be safe.
For more information, please visit sitkacenter.org.